The red-hot sellers market will experience a softening, and it's an expected, necessary market correction. Home prices are flattening, the number of showings per listing is decreasing, the number of offers per listing is decreasing. Here's what a market correction means for home sellers. Our pricing strategy requires greater finesse. Your home's list price must mirror current fair market value to encourage ample traffic and avoid stagnation. Creativity is key. Offering to buy down your future home buyer's interest rate or contribute to closing costs may be an effective strategy to set your listing apart from the competition. There's a great influence on quality preparation. The time of sticking a sign in the yard and collecting a dozen offers within a matter of days is behind us now. So taking the time to adequately prepare your home for listing is crucial. I'm talking addressing necessary repairs, depersonalizing, decluttering, and getting your place sparkling clean. Drop a comment below if you'd like to touch base on how the shifting market may affect you.